Welcome. If you want to get this lightning edges on your Huawei Mate 10 Lite, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here lightning edge. You can also select it from this quick list, and we have to get this application, the Edge Lightning Colors Round Colors Galaxy. If you download, just open. And right now I'm going to delete this currently launcher that I'm using. Sorry. Let's enter one more time. I'm going to remove it. And then if you want to activate this border, you have to click right here. Set the name of your new theme. Click to OK, great. And right now you have the border colors, the run style, you can change it as you can see, and also the border styles we can change it. Okay, I see that only one is working right now, but let's move for the straight lines. And here we got also the animation speed. We can speed it up, we can slow it like you want, we can change the border size, and also we can change the radius top and the bottom. So if you want to set up, just click to create, tab right here, and right now when we go back you can see that we got here the lightning edges. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.